Or you say you want to be a doctor. This is high school. Look, I get it. In high school, you want to appear smart, you want to appear like you got it going on. But this is when the strategy of this journey starts to set in even more. Obviously, we want to take a math and science every year, but take an appropriate level math and science. Don't try to show off and take the honors sciences and math unless you're honors level, unless you know you can do well. Take an appropriate level course. And by the way, this is about the time you start to experience a few setbacks. You may not do so well in a course. And it's going to be okay. It's going to be just fine. Later on in this video, we're going to find that once you leave high school, no one's ever going to be looking at your high school grades again. I know, no one tells you that. But once you leave high school, once you go on to college, no one's ever going to look at your high school grades again. Obviously, once you're accepted into college and you're moving through college, no one's going to look at your high school grades again, unless you're transferring colleges. But this is about the period of time you're going to experience a few setbacks. Just a few rules for you now. You need to be reading. I'm talking about outside of your regular classwork, about 45 minutes to an hour a day. Anything you want, something you enjoy reading. Just read, because what that does is it's training your brain, believe it or not. It's preparing it for a standardized test. Now let's talk about these AP classes, these advanced placement classes. Those are good, and you're smart, and your classmates know you're smart. Great job. But don't forget, we're on the journey, and we are strategizing. Take those classes. But when you go to college, you don't want those AP placement credits. What? That's right. Here's why. That's an easy A for college. If you have placed out of those classes where you don't have to take them in college and you just get the credits, all you get is the credits. You don't get the grade that goes with it. You're robbing yourself of an easy A. And don't forget, when you apply to medical school, I know I'm moving forward, when you apply to medical school, they break your classes down into the science score, the non-science classes, and an overall GPA. Don't rob yourself of that A. And I get it, many people will disagree. Hey, go ahead and get the credits. It gives you more time to spend studying. Having done this for 25 years, have mentored several people into medical school, even from the moment in second grade up. I can tell you this, the little nuggets, they're little strategies that those of us on the inside know. Take that AP class, learn it, but when it's time to take that AP placement test so you can get college credit, I would tell you, no. Take that course in college and get that easy A, because it adds to the overall GPA and it helps us as we go along this journey. Now that's a nugget for you. I'll be the first person to tell you, you're going to talk to some counselors who are going to disagree with that, and that's fine. We all have a right to disagree. Talk to your parents. Talk to those who have mentored people into medical school. Talk to those who have sat on some of these college admissions committees. Talk to some of those who have sat on some of these medical school admissions, and you will see there's a strategy. Oh, look, back to the summers of high school. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Lifeguard, travel, volunteer. But if you're going to volunteer, volunteer in something that you enjoy doing. Volunteer in something that touches your heart, that changes you. So in your high school summers, do something you enjoy. Do something. It's going to seem heavy for you, but do something that changes the world. If you're going to shadow with someone who's going to show you the magic of their field. Because medicine, it's magical.